Hey everyone, I'm Reshma. Today I wanted to share a quick beauty hack with you, especially because it's so cold outside. I turn up the heat inside because I like it warm and cozy and fuzzy, but it's not so great for my hair, especially the ends get really dry. So what I do every night before I take my makeup off is I take Reshma Beauty's dry and damaged oil. This is for dry and damaged hair, especially it's 5 different oils so that it can give me the extra moisture it needs. You can use any kind of light oil. Don't use too heavy a oil because what will happen is your scalp will get oily and your hair will look like it's dirty, but it's not. So we don't want that look for sure. So take some oil. The trick is take very little because you don't want your hair to look oily again. So just like a few drops and rub it in your hands and then just put it in the ends. And that's it. And then sleep with it. And I promise you, if your hair is dry and damaged like mine is, especially in the winter time, you'll wake up, all the oil will be gone, and it does not look like you have any oil whatsoever. We have different kinds of oil, 3 different kinds of oil for the scalp or the hair you need. But like I said, all moisture is good for your hair. Any light oil will do. So try this, and I'd love to hear back from you about your comments and suggestions and if it worked for you. Thanks. Bye.